Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making garlic parmesan skewers in the air fryer, guys. This recipe is super easy to make, but full of flavor. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. What you want to do first is grab a pitcher and fill it up with water and place your skewers in it. Mine been soaking for about an hour. And what you also want to do, if your skewers are super long, go in and measure your air fryer and make sure that your skewer will fit in them. So as you can see, this one is a lot shorter than this one. So this is exactly what you want to do, is break that off and soak them in the water. I am using chicken tenders for this recipe. You can also use chicken thighs. What I like to do first is go in and remove this white part. Basically just cut it off, just like so. And then cut it into 3 pieces. And continue the same process for the rest. After cutting your chicken into pieces, go ahead and drizzle it with some olive oil. Season with some garlic powder, adobo seasoning, paprika, black pepper, onion powder, This is how my chicken is looking. It is well seasoned and it is going to be so delicious, guys. Now it's time to add our chicken to our skewer. And set that on a platter. And we're going to continue the same process for the rest. So this is how they're looking after. Go ahead and turn on your air fryer and set it for 400 and the timer for 15 minutes. Now it's time to add our chicken into the air fryer. I was able to fit only 3 in here, and that's okay. Grate your garlic. You can also mince your garlic if you would like. I just find this way a lot easier and it has a lot more of that garlic flavor. To your minced garlic, go ahead and add your butter. Add your dry parsley. Add your red pepper flakes. Now go ahead and stick this in the microwave for about 30 seconds until it is partially melted. This is how my butter is looking after taking it out of the microwave. Now add your Parmesan cheese to it. Give that a mix. And this is our Parmesan garlic sauce that we are going to use to base our chicken. After mixing your garlic sauce, go ahead and take some and set it aside, and I'll show you guys what to do with it later on. This is how our chicken looking after 5 minutes. Now go in with your butter sauce and brush the top and give it a flip and give it a brush. Now we're going to stick this back in here for another 5 minutes. After another 5 minutes, go ahead and brush your chicken with that garlic Parmesan. Give it another flip. Brush that side and finish cooking it for the last 5 minutes. After 15 minutes, your chicken are done. Go ahead and remove them and place them on a platter. Here's my chicken. This is how they're looking after pulling them out of the air fryer. Now take the rest of your butter and drizzle it on top. Hello guys, so my garlic Parmesan chicken skewers are ready and they look so delicious. They are super easy to make and I cannot wait to enjoy them. Wow. These are just so good, guys. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.